Well, today I just fixed a chipped piece out of the concrete. I guess when they were putting this in, they broke a piece off, and if you can't notice it, that's a good thing. So I'm going to show you how I did it. Well, today there's a little part of the pool that just keeps falling out. So they want to keep it as original as they can. So what we're going to do is patch it. I'm going to show you how I do it. Now for this repair, I'm going to use Rapid Set Cemental, and the difference is the mortar mix is it doesn't have any sand in it. See, there's no sand in it, so it's real fine. So we don't need much. I'm just going to go get a little bit like that and go down and fix this pool. Now I'm at the pool site. I'm just going to add a little water to the Cemental like this. Make no big deal out of it. We're just gonna patch it up. See that? Make it into like a paste. That's it. That's good. Just like that. So we did that. Now we're gonna take some water. We're gonna wet that like that. And we're going to wet this like that. We're going to get this stuff. I'm just going to goulash it in there like that. This stuff dries so fast. It's unbelievable. Get it all in there. Starting to thicken up. Ain't going to worry about making too much of a mess. We're just going to take this piece, put it in there like that, and tap it real lightly with the hammer. That's going to get in all them seams and hold that pretty good. Then we're going to go around, as long as it's wet. We're going to rub that in there. Hope the camera don't fall in the pool. Just like that. And I know it's good because of gurgling. And over here maybe a little bit. And then we're going to get the sponge. Get that all off of there. Down to the original. Some cracks here, cracks there. We're just going to take our Cemental and push it in with our fingers. No big deal. A little bit back over here. Rub it in. And sponge it off. Sponge it off till you just see the crack. So we got the crack filled in. See the crack? You see the crack in there? It's all filled in. Now we're gonna do famous mud trick. What we do is we get regular dirt from the garden, put some water in it, stir it up until it's mud. You put the mud right over the top of the patch, and that's going to hide all that. It's going to stain it. See what I mean? Call this the mud trick. That's going to blend that all in to make it look old like the rest of the stuff, to make it look like we weren't here. And we'll let that sit for a couple hours and we're good. And here we are about 3 days later. You can't really notice it that much compared to the rest of the cement. The mud trick always works in a case like that. So I've done that before, and I did it to a limestone step one time. where I put it on, and I just put it on temporary until I was supposed to get a new stone. That's a couple years ago, and it's still there. So I use that technique once in a while when I want to patch concrete. And the mud trick goes as far back as Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo. So it's no big deal to do that. Everybody's been doing it. I learned it from the old timers. And that's it. So there's a lot of different ways to do things. I'm Mike Haduck. Thanks for watching. Until next video.